And now, Asinis winning the jumbo to number 7. To drive is Soler ngayon. Iniwan para kay Bataan. Bataan inside pass. At nabibitawan ni Castron. Right there kay Soler. Soler ngayon. Soler. To De La Cruz. Dibags to Soler. Nakakuha ng bola. Soler ngayon. To Laurel. Inside pass to Bataan. Nilabas para kay Laurel. Susubukin si Laurel. And loses the handle for the Black Shirts. PNR Tumason, number 21 to 14, back to number 21 and to number 2 points on number 21 to lamang ng 4 na puntos ang Barangay Asinis. Iniwan para kay Castro, 10 seconds to shoot. Napasa yun ni number 14, saved by number 23. No good. To Bataan. Bataan ngayon. Diretso ba si Bataan? And the last 2 points. 6-4. Lamang ng dalawang Asinis. 5-4. Lamang ng isa. Ang Asinis. Nadagdagan ba? But no good. No good again. No good for the defensive rebound to Castro. Castro ngayon to Bataan. Susubok. Number 14, pasa kay number 23. Inside pass, but no good. Saves the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 23, Gayab-Yab. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Bataan ngayon, Bataan. Bataan pa rin, di diretso si Bataan. Inside pass, pero napitawan. Saves by Soler. Soler ngayon to Bataan. It's a beautiful shot from Bataan. Number 22, Mayo. To number 21, inside pass. 2 points. Soler. Garden Ban. To De La Cruz. De La Cruz for the 3, but moving. To number 23. 9-7 lamang ngayon ang dalawang Asinis. Number 14 ngayon ang didiskarte. De Los Reyes, di diretso ba? At bola mapupunta for the first period. Soler to Laurel and the number 2 points on Laurel. This time number 24 and number 14 of Blue Just Day handle. Laurel pa rin to Bataan. Number 2 points on Bataan. Number 20 ngayon to number 7. 2 points is to net. Second deadlock, 11 all. Time remaining is 1 minute 50 seconds. Soler ngayon, didiskarte si Soler. Magkakadaan iniwan para kay Benitez. Benitez pa rin, but no. Soler lalapit. Looking for receiver. It's a wide lane violation for Soler. And this time, number 23. Makakadaan pa. No good for 2 points. No good. No good. 2 points is good.
Tatak Bendol. Tatak Manoy.
To Sir De La Cruz. 2 points is good for Sir De La Cruz. This time number 23 Gayab-Yab, 1 minute 2 seconds. Benitez to number 22 Mayo, 10 seconds to shoot. No good. 2 points is good on the personal personal foul on number 20 for the third team foul. 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Bataan lalapit. But no good. 24 seconds. Iniwan. No good.
Counted!
2 points is good on number 22. And this time, to number 22 to Soler, inside pass to Madrid, back to Strong, Sarmiento, for the offensive rebound. 10 seconds to shoot, to Makashib, to Castro. 2 points on Castro.
Yo, ngayon din, basta maglaro lang tayo.
Iiwan back, Castro, to Makashib. 2 points for Makashib. Time is 1 minute 22 seconds. Makashib ng Sarmiento. Iniwan. Second deadlock of the game, 27. Castro yan, guarded by number 13. Nakukuha ni Sarmiento to Castro. 1 minute 5 seconds. At the box of foul on number 55 seconds in the time remaining. To Madrid, drive for three. Back to Malakas. Back to Madrid. Basket count at Lakers back of foul. Leader of Madrid is good. 45.2 seconds. At ngayon, number 2. Number 2 ang didiskarte, di makalapit. Binigay kay number 15. Lalapit. 2 points is good on number 15. 22-30 our official score. Sarmiento looking for receiver 2. Makashib. It's 3 points on Makashib. 10 seconds. Babawi si number 17. But no good this time. 10 seconds. 2 points on Makashib. And this time number 2. Try for 3. But no good. Makukuha pa rin ba ng number 17 but no good. Castro to Makashib na yan. No good to Madrid but no good. Castro no good. Madrid but no good. Mabibitawan James by Castro to Makashib but the next foul. And this time number 14 to Gayabyab, number 23. Didiskarte si Gayabyab, pass kay Mayo. Inside pass, kulit na basa yun ni Bataan. Bataan na yun to Laurel at the back to Laurel. Number 19. No good. Follow up 2 points on number 23, Gayabyab. And this time Soler to Bataan. Back to Soler ngayon. To Madrid. Nantik na bitawan. 10 seconds to shoot. Sinrid po yun. To Gayabyab. It's a traveling violation on number 23. And this time Soler ngayon to Makashib, trying for 3, but no good. Madrid, kuda.